Hello. Today I'm here to share the most advanced microcurrent device available on the market, the Avazzia Pro Sport III. The Pro Sport III is our top-of-the-line microcurrent device used by professionals such as doctors, veterinarians, natural healers, and advanced home users. With over 50 preset programs, the Avazzia Pro Sport III excels at tackling chronic pain, inflammation, depression, anxiety, insomnia, autoimmune deficiencies, broken bones, scars, and even muscle toning with ease. Now let's get into the professional grade features and functions of the Avazzia Pro Sport III. The power switch is located here on the side of the device. It's that simple, you just flip it right up. When preparing for your microcurrent treatment, you will use these arrow buttons to cycle through over 50 preset treatment programs. And then you can adjust the intensity to your comfort by using these plus and minus buttons on the top. This will mean that treatment is always comfortable to you. Your selections are all shown here on this LED display, so there's no guessing or wondering if you're doing it right. When you attach accessories on the side here, depending on the accessories you attach, you can effortlessly shift the Pro Sport III from a microcurrent device to a pulsed electromagnetic field generator, to a scale wave generator, and more, all within seconds. This flexibility makes the Pro Sport III perfect for safely and quickly addressing dozens of common conditions at home or in a professional medical setting. Now let's talk about the benefits that make the Avazzia Pro Sport III rise above the rest. First, let's start with vagus nerve stimulation. The Pro Sport III is one of only two Avazzia microcurrent devices that is equipped with frequencies appropriate for the vagus nerve. The Pro Sport III allows you to use neurofeedback to flip the switch on pain with this systemic anti-inflammatory treatment. Muscle stimulation is also available in this device. You can stimulate damaged or degenerative muscles to relieve pain, and it's never been easier with these pre-programmed modes. You can quickly and easily address all types of pain, no matter the cause, with a wide selection of pain management programs available in the device. You can also work on the chakras to improve emotional well-being throughout the body. You can also use acupuncture modes. There are specific programs in the device to stimulate different meridian points, and you can do all of this, no needles required. We also have the solfeggio frequency sets, high-powered sets that are helpful for dealing with chronic neuropathic pain. We also have muscle toning programs available, allowing you to stimulate and repair muscles and tone muscles as well. And of course, we shouldn't ignore the reactions technology. This biofeedback marvel allows us to touch the skin and get instant assessments of what is going on in the body. This allows us to use the protocols that we train you with within the Hache protocol to determine whether an area is inflamed, degenerative, or normal. We also can't forget AVA mode, which allows you to set your device to a fully customizable mode depending on your needs, making it essential for utilizing more advanced protocols. Now, if you're ready to achieve professional microcurrent results in your clinic, office, treatment center, or home with the most revolutionary and versatile device on the market, try the Avazzia Pro Sport III today. If you're wondering if the Avazzia Pro Sport III is the right device for you, reach out, and our dedicated and knowledgeable team will help you determine the next best step in your healing journey.